How to change your Instagram region. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Cryptos. If you're trying to change your location or the region that you log into your Instagram, there is a way that you can do it. But for that, you need to switch your account to a business account. So what you do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. From here, head over to the three lines on the top right and open up settings. Once you're here, just tap on accounts and scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. If you already have a professional account, you just tap on add new professional account. Tap on continue and choose any category that you want. It does not matter. And then tap on done. Once you're done, you have two options, the business and creator. Choose the business option and then tap on next. Tap on next again. And here you'll have an option where you can now add in your address, which is the business address. You can just tap open this option and here you can add in your street address, town or a city, and then you can also add in your postal code. So just type in the city or town that you want to change to, and then you can just tap on save on the bottom. So that's how you do it. That's how you change your Instagram region. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe and also give this video a like. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.